Are you guys good? We're gonna go to Port Dover, to the beach a little bit, enjoy the beautiful weather. 28 degrees here. Swimming, a little bit of droning, have a little bite to eat as well. We're just gonna have a good day. Yeah.
Oh.
First I gotta stop one thing that we do all the time. Canadians do that. You gotta go to good old Timmy's. Gotta get myself a nice ice cap. It's always refreshing, a nice hot day. We're gonna go for a beach. You know, it's the first time for me anyway, but we'll take you guys along. All right.
First time for us.
Yeah. You want anything from Timmy's?
Bye.
No?
Ice cap time. Bye.
Ice cap time. Here we are at Port Dover. Busy, very busy over here.
Yep.
Just can't even go. We try to go find a spot on the beach there, forget it. They're like sardines over there. And it's over there, it's full, packed. But otherwise, beautiful day. We just had some lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call it, something.
Delicious.
Nice cold beer to go with that. Now we're going to fill out a walk here at the lighthouse.
Yep.
We'll see you there.
Later.
Uphill here, almost dying here. Just ate, so full. It's hard to walk up the hill. Really tired. No? Not tired? Good. Yeah, look at this nice Mustang. The blue Mustang. The blue. A lot of nice vehicles around here. That's a nice car, Corvettes. BMWs, of course.
Yes, can't forget the BMWs.
Can't forget the BMWs, yeah. We're gonna go for the car and go around a little drive and see what the day brings us. See you in a bit. We are still in Port Dover. Beautiful day. I'm still enjoying the day.
Sunny?
See, sunny over there. Still nice and sunny.
No, it's not.
It's still nice and sunny.
Yes, it
Beautiful.
is.
Temperature is great. And finally, I think we can have the beach ourselves.
Yeah, you want to see?
Yeah, wait, turn around, turn around.
Wait for it.
Wait for the beach. Whoa, whoa, somewhere back there. Let's see. There. We're gonna go check it out. At least put our feet in the sand over there and just to test it out. Never actually put our feet in that sand.
Well, we have a
Never did. We never did
carpet,
that.
a black carpet.
Yeah, for royal people like us.
Black carpet, not red.
Oh, black. Yeah, it's even better. It's better than a red carpet.
That's for handicap. That's for wheelchair.
Handicap.
Wheelchair.
Oh yeah. Sometimes I feel like one.
Wheelchair.
Yeah, a real chair. Yes, a real chair. There you go. Here we are.
Whoa!
Port Dover. Beautiful, beautiful day. I flew the drone earlier. I got some amazing shots. Later on, I'm gonna. Thank you. Later on, we're gonna share with you guys. We'll put it on for YouTube to see.
Palm trees.
Oh, we got palm trees here in Ontario. You believe that? Yeah, yeah. Beautiful palm trees.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
5.
who needs Mexico, Cuba? Who cares?
6.
Anyway,
6.
summer in Canada just as good as Cuba or Mexico, even better, because we know how to say Canadian. Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Okay, let's enjoy a little walk on the beach.
Hey.
Hey. Again, waiting for our food, our dinner. Apparently it's a succulent dinner. Yeah, the good old fish and chips. Oh, onion rings. Onion rings? Yeah, onion rings this time.
Last squeeze.
Yeah, last squeeze. Yeah, they're healthy onion rings. Onions are healthy.
They're healthy.
Yeah. So can't go wrong with onions. We forget the ring part. there again. Now this time we're just heading back.
Yes.
Going back home. It was a really nice day.
Yes, it was.
Very nice, fun day.
Yes, it
Good
was.
time.
Still is.
Still is. But unfortunately, work tomorrow. Wow, game over. But it's all good. There's always gonna be another weekend, so we're just gonna have fun. We still got probably an hour and a half to go home.
About that.
Yeah, probably about an hour and a half maybe to get home. Take our time, enjoy the ride, and it's a beautiful evening. So
Yes, it is.
yeah, it's very nice. Port Dover is really a place to must go. Look at this, beautiful. Yeah, flowers everywhere. Yeah, busy place during the day, but
Beamers everywhere.
yeah, during the day it's impossible to find a parking spot unless you pay somewhere. But it's worth it. It's worth it to come by, and even if you have to park away, far away, you can actually find a spot somewhere. Then you have to walk a little bit. It's okay. Exercise is good. And there we go. Here's our beast, our car. We're just gonna hop on that sucker and head back home.
Right at home. Yeah,
Well,
yeah.